everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got Brian over here checking the voltage because we're going to replace this unit today. It's 15-20 years old, compressor's out. As you can see, it's seen better days. And we're also going to be upgrading the ductwork because they have airflow problems like most homes in Arizona do. They just don't do proper air balances. So we're going to go do a good air balance on this home. Make sure every room's getting a good amount of air, or the correct amount of air. So let's go ahead and do it. This is also a new cut-in. Means that we make the jack bigger. And it is going to be watertight. So there's no problems with it leaking down the road or anything. Alright, that's what it looks like. That's what Brian looks like. Alright, let's do it. Let's get it done.
You have your supply on the right, going down to the light here.
Okay, here's the finished product. We got the new unit. We got the new stand, the new drain line. You can see there, like I said, I'll show you the elbow here. There's not a lot of room to walk, but if you see the jack here, it was made bigger, right? Because we did the new cut-in. But when we do the new cut-ins, we do this tar job, right? And like I said before, we're not roofers. We just have experience with other roofers, and they've shown us how to do it so that it won't leak. And I've had one leak in maybe 5 or 6 years, and curiously enough, it was not at the cut-in. See how it's much wider because it's, we cut it open a little bit bigger, 4 or 5 inches bigger on each side for better airflow. And we had to do this little bit of a tar job here just to be safe, so we're watertight. But anyways, the leak was actually not even at the cut-in. It was, let me show you. You see right here where the silicone, where we silicone here, the seam. It must have been cold that day or raining that day, but the silicone did not bond to the unit. So it actually, after some time, after 2 years, it ended up falling off in like a full piece, like a sheet, and the water got in between there. So, but that's the new elbow. That's pretty much it, y'all. The new disconnect, new thermostat wire. There's Brian over there. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This is a 2-stage day and night. Remember, it's got the 2 speeds for the medium speed for mild days, and then the high speed for when it is really hot. So you do get a good amount of efficiency saved there. Alright, you're saving some electricity, and it also works better for comfort. So, and for the drain line, we just went off the edge because we don't want to reuse the old drain line, right? All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.